Alright, what do you say we have a look at this 40th anniversary Johnny Lightning 1973 Chevy Vega. See that? Paid $395 for this at some antique store. Although it's not antique, it's still almost 10 years old. There was the 12-car lineup for the 40th anniversary. And yeah, so what do you say we get this out of its pack and have a much better look? Alright, well, there it is. I mean, it looks really nice. It really does. But it's kind of a light car. Let's have a look. It's a great paint job. Nice flames. Good paint work on the marker lights. Nice paint work on the stripe and the wiper blades. But what I noticed is the plastic bottom. I mean, it's a good looking car, but very light. Nice satin black inside the firewall area, the engine area. Got a nice interior as well. Good looking car. It'd be nice to add to your diecast collection if you can find it. This one is actually kind of hard to find, so I was very lucky to actually find it. So yeah, of all places, $3.95 at an antique store. So yeah, it's been our look at the 40th anniversary Johnny Lightning 1973 Chevy Vega GT. Alright, Howlin' Wolf out.